Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair a cracked screen on a Dell P2418HT monitor. So if you find yourself in this situation, you can hopefully fix it yourself, keep more broken tech out of landfills, and save some money while you're at it. The first thing we're going to want to do is flip it over, and now we can remove those 4 screws in the center of the back panel. Once those are off, you want to, using your fingers, gently go around and pry up the back panel. You want to be careful not to snap anything. So you want to carefully go around applying gentle pressure until the back panel snaps off. Now that we can see all of the internals of the computer, we want to start disconnecting all of the cables. So we want to go in gently with a pry tool, flip up this little black tab. That'll let you slide out that cable. For this other cable, you want to gently go side to side, pulling out this little black part of the carriage it's in. That will let you slide the cable out. And once those cables are disconnected, you can unscrew that screw in the bottom corner and remove that entire board from the computer. And once that's off, we want to unscrew these 4 screws to disconnect this large metal piece which holds the motherboard and other internals. Now, I recommend not getting ahead of yourself here and disconnect those cables connecting the screen to the motherboard before trying to remove the motherboard itself. So, take a pry tool and start moving the cables. You want to go gently side to side with this cable, pushing both sides until it pops right out. With this center LVDS cable, it's a bit different. You can see it has these little metal clips which you have to push in before you can begin to pull out the cable. And for this last cable, I know my fingers are covering it, but same process as the first. You want to go gently side to side until it pops right out. Next, you want to unscrew these screws. After those screws are removed, we can begin removing the frame. Alright, now just remove the old broken screen and replace it with the new one. Now, I'm not going to make you watch the whole process in reverse. I'm just going to skip ahead back to where it's all back together. So, here we go. Let's plug it in and see if it works. Alright, so we can see it turns on, no cracks, everything looks good. Now, if after watching this you still don't feel confident enough to do it yourself, you can reach out to us at the link in the description, and we offer a mail-in repair service. We also sell replacements for all screens used in all our videos. Thanks for watching.